What's up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing Netflix. Netflix I ended up taking a position on. I closed out for a $600 profit, which is phenomenal. On the day, I ended up closing out a $13,900 profit. So if you guys want to get access to all of our trades for free your first month, join the free Discord, and then you can upgrade to the premium, and it's completely free for the first 30 days. This way you can build up capital and just let it pay for itself. Now, looking at Netflix, I want to go over this trade for a couple of reasons. Number one, even though I made money, I want to explain where I kind of messed up. And number two, I want to show you guys very simply one of the easiest ways that you guys can use for a strategy, whether it's day trading or swing trading. Because when we're looking at a 3-minute or a 5-minute, it really is the same on a bigger time frame. If anything, it holds more weight on a bigger time frame. So I would need you guys to understand that. Now let's look at Netflix. And what I was looking for today, I ended up not entering what I wanted. I was watching Netflix today right around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We saw this breakdown. We made a lower low right here. Now, something to note, like we always say, we're looking for divergences on this lower low. The RSI actually made a lower low, so it doesn't pique my curiosity. You don't really care at this point. Continue to watch it, but look what happens. We look like we're going to double bottom. We actually make a lower low here, so we can actually just say that is a lower low. And then look what happens. The RSI does not make a lower low. So the RSI actually makes a higher low, which is a bullish divergence. So now, if we were to take our resistance level, you'll notice it's one of my favorite things to trade, a descending wedge. If you guys have been around for the past 3 years since we've been doing this, descending wedge is one of my favorite fucking things to play. And so I was like, I have to get into this. Now, at the time, did not enter down at this bottom. This is where I was looking to enter, was at 417.27. So that's why I had triggered the entry. Didn't. I went out to lunch. I was like, I'm just going to go grab some food real quick, get back to my desk. I did. At that point, we had pushed up and we were testing 418. Now, 418 was a very strong support, as you guys can see back here. So this old strong support is obviously going to be a strong resistance, and that's what I'm going to use for as my pivot level. When I say pivot level, essentially we're just saying the level that we need to break in order to move to our next level and or our price target. So we pushed up, pulled back, and then as we started to break out, I did finally end up enter somewhere around here. And then from that point, we just continued to run all the way up, which was absolutely beautiful. And I took my profits at 421. You might ask yourself, why? Why would you take your profits there? Well, because this was a strong resistance before. This strong resistance is probably going to end up being a resistance again. So I figured the best thing to do is probably just take my profits, close out for a $600 profit. Of course, we pushed right through there, ran all the way up to close. But overall, a solid trade with a bullish divergence and a descending wedge. You guys know that I push simplicity more than anything here on this channel because everyone wants to make things more complicated just so that they can sell you more shit. Truth of the matter is, you really don't need it. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.